Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Learning Pen. So in today's video we are going to learn about how to use Google Slides. Google Slide is very similar to you can say alternative की तरह आप यूज़ कर सकते हो जब आप प्रेजेंटेशन की बात करते हो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट प्रेजेंटेशन की तरह। बट अब जब आप ऑनलाइन हो या फिर आपके ड्राइव में वो सेव्ड है तो आप इजीली एक्सेस कर सकते हो कहीं पे भी किसी भी पीसी पे आप उसे यूज़ कर सकते हो। जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट आपने क्रिएट किया है, जो भी प्रेजेंटेशन आपने क्रिएट किया है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो एंड बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द वीडियो please like and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials like this. Thank you. That you need to go here and search Google Slides, and the app is shown here. You can just install this app. To use basically Google Slides, you have to go here. If you have already made some presentations, you can just click over there. But if you want to create a new one, so you can click here by choosing a template or a new presentation. By choosing a template, you will get a number of templates here like education, book report, field trip, flashcards, which are already made, which you can use. But if you want to create your own, so you can simply click in the new presentation over here, and the new presentation is here. So simply you have got this first slide. If you want to add some more slides into the presentation, you can click here, and there is title slide, there is section header, title plus body, title and two columns are here, one column text, title only, main point and caption, and so many. So if I choose title and body as my next slide, so here it is, and my third slide would be main point. Okay, so the three slides I have created. You can create a number of slides. So here you can just simply tap here by changing the theme. So change the theme. I'll choose this material and I'll apply this theme. Here I have created these three slides with this theme, and now I can tap here. You can simply tap here for bold and choose the color of the text. For example, I'll choose here black. So here is custom, no custom colors if I have created the basic like this. So the basic colors are there, or the theme colors which they are giving you. Now the basic colors, if you want to choose like a jet black, I'll choose. Okay, after that my text would be welcome to my channel, and here the text would be like let's start. Okay, so you can create your own slideshow. So I'll show you. In order to put some text into this, you can simply double tap here. So here the keyboard will be shown, and now I shall write here about my channel. After clicking over there, you can have the third option as highlight color like red. So the background would be changed of that color. For example, I want to have this black one. I'll choose this. These indentations here, like about my channel would be here, here, or here. So right, left, center. So here can be bulleted list or not a bulleted list if you want to form. Here the color that you want to fill, for example, in the whole text area that you have selected, like this or any such color that you want to choose. Like I'm choosing this white color if I want to choose. If not, then you can just skip here. So these are the options for the text, where bold, where the color, the background color, the indentations, the list if you want to create, and the last one is fill color of that text area. After that, my second slide is also completed. The options that you have seen in the bottom, now we see the options in the upper side. Here there is undo and redo, which you know. There is presentation. I'll show you after some time. If you want to add some collaborators by sharing it, so who can access this, public or if you want private. Second is if you click at the plus sign, here you will get a number of features over there like plus, like this is used to comment. In Google Docs we have seen this, that plus is used to add some comments in the comment. Here in the slides as well, comment is used to add comments. And the text here, the text area gets converted. If you want to create a new text area, for example, this is my slide, and here I want to create a text area. So what I will do, I'll just click over there and this text area will appear. So wherever I want to place it, I can place it and double tap to edit it. Okay, so after that, by clicking over here, you can insert an image. So from photos you can go, and after that, whatever the photos that is in your gallery, you can, for example, this is here. So I have chosen this image and this image is being there. You can just rotate it, enlarge it if you whatever you want. So basically I'm placing it over here. Yes, after that, what are the options given here are, so if you want a lot of slides need to have shapes in them, like I'll choose here a circle. So you can just place it wherever you want to. This is the shape here. After that, if you want to create some other shapes, you can have a number of shapes given here, like so many. There are arrows left, right, so many. There are flow charts if you want to create flow chart. There are call outs. There is equation. If you want to use equations in it, you can use them. So after that, I'll click here, and if I want to use some text area in between the circle, I can choose this text area here. Okay, so I have written this text and I'll place here. If I want to increase, I'll just increase it. After that, there is line. If you want to insert a basic line, you can have this line in your slide. So the basic line is simple line. There are a number of lines which are curved, which are elbow connector like this, which they have shown here. So if I create a new slide over here, like title only, I'll show you how the table is. So for clicking on table, there is columns and there is rows. So I'm selecting 3 columns and 3 rows and I'm inserting this table over here. After that, all the things have been here, and if you want to insert a link, you can add a text area first. I'll just use this welcome to my channel here. If I click over here, I can click on the plus sign. Here I will insert a link. Link is like www.youtube.com. So the link has been inserted here, YouTube. By clicking over here, you simply redirect to the YouTube. So now the options all are completed here. In this option, you can have change theme, speaker notes. If you want to create here, you can have welcome. If you don't want to show, you can skip it. After that, hide speaker notes, share and export. If you want to share this, copy link, send a copy, save as. So you can save as PowerPoint, PDF document, plain text, JPEG, or any such way. So if I'm presenting here, present on this device, so I'm clicking on here, present on this device. If I click here, this is a link. So this link is redirecting me to YouTube. Okay, simply see here. You can add a number of websites here, your website, any such website, any URL you want to link here in the slides, you can click here. So this YouTube has been opened because I have clicked on the slides. So this is being presented, and after that, okay, about my channel, about some other stuffs. Okay, yeah, so this is presenting on my device. After that, if there are options, present to a meeting, Google Meet, present to a scheduled meeting. If you want to have just show your calendars in the Google Calendar, you just type over there and it will present at that time. In case I want to just download it, let me show you how to download. You can just simply print it. Print means PDF. Make a copy, send a copy. Copy the link, you can send to some other persons also. If you want to save this as PowerPoint, simply I'll click here, PowerPoint PPTX, the extension. So it is being saving, has been created. So my slides are created, and you can create in any format you will choose, like PDF, JPEG, in a number of formats. So this was all about how to create slides in mobile phone, Google Slides in mobile phone. And if you do like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.